All right, welcome back, guys. This evening we're going to be doing a spin on a classic. All right, coming up, we got 2 pounds of chopped and boiled Yukon Gold potatoes. For price range, these just ran about $1 a pound at the store. If you're being price conscious, all right, we're going to do a whole food take on potato salad. So I have a 1/4 cup of finely chopped dill, 1/4 cup of red onion. That's going in. Got 2 stalks of celery, chopped. All right, now to the juice. All right, spin this around. We're starting out. I've already have a 1/4 cup of tahini in here, along with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But we're going to add to that. We're going to add a 1/3 cup of dill relish. That's what I found right here. And then we're going to do a tablespoon each Dijon mustard, and pure maple syrup. Going to start combining this. Good. Last but not least, just a dash of salt and a dash of pepper. Forgot the spatula. Now we incorporate. I'm telling you, I wish the smell of this could come through the camera because it smells amazing. All right, so my buddy Jared gave me these fresh green beans out of his garden. It's a hot summer day. I'll show you what we're going to do with these. Snap the ends off. That one doesn't look good. Right in the basket, we got our steam pot going. We're going to drop those in for about 5-ish minutes. We'll bring you back to see what we got. We took the half of the onion that I did not put in the potato salad, went ahead and put in a bowl with the mini cucumbers, and these tomatoes were also donated to me from my buddy Jared's garden. So I have 2 of those chopped up in there. We're going to bring back our string beans out of the steamer. We're going to add those in. A little bit of pepper. And last, we're going to add some red wine vinegar in here. We're just going to take our tongs, give them a little toss. And that just looks like freshness right there. All right, now let's plate this, and I'm going to show you how we round off the meal here. These are sitting on the shelf. They're marketed as vegetarian baked beans. You read the ingredients. Main thing is there's no pork fat in here. There's also no corn syrup in here. So I consider it relatively whole food still. And for price wise, that's about $2 a can. We're going to add some of our fresh green bean and cucumber salad. And to me, this is the main dish, the potato salad. And that is a wrap what we spent today. But appreciate y'all tuning in for this one. And we can't turn the camera off before I do this. Love it.